man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You shaking like a stripper, man. Loosen up. But what?
Yeah.
Can I help you with money? Get that damn camera out of my face.
Okay.
Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
You're strong. Okay, bye.
I said get out of my face.
Okay, bye. Okay. Yeah. Okay, bye.
It's rude. Shut up. Who in the world do you think you're talking to?
Aubrey.
I'm gonna give you. Ooh, I'm gonna give her a wedgie.
Kelly, you leaving? You should saw your eyes when you did that. Stop! Who are you talking to? Shut up!
Come on. Come on. Wait, let me put my laptop before you break it.
She'll break it.
Do something. Put them up. Put them up. What's his name? Put them up. Put them up. Put them up, Kelly. Come on.
You need to go to school.
Come on, little punk. Come on. Come on. Come on. You want to fight me all day today? Come on, Kelly. Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. What are you doing? I'll get my I got my pepper spray, man. Don't play with me.
Ooh.
Trick.
Ooh.
Ooh. Kelly, I'll cut you.
I'll cut you too.
You don't know me.
I don't know you either.
I'm from Chi-Town. I'm from the Bronx. I grew up in the projects, sweetheart. I grew up in the projects. Pop off. Pop off. Come on, pop. Ooh. Pop off, Kelly. Pop. Yes.
Pop off.
Pop off.
Pop off.
Go in the room.
Pop off.
Off pop.
You pop.
Pop off.
Pop off.
Off and off pop.
You missed that party, money. You hurt my thumb.
Good. Exactly.
I heard it though.
Punch me in my chest. I'll punch you in your face.
Hey, Dada. I'm tucked up. Can't get like me, son.
Ain't nobody want to get like that.
You won't be like me.
No, I want to get like that.
This little girl gonna make me go on her.
I dare you.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Such. Woo. Don't touch me.
Whose thing is this? This yours?
No, Brajan's trying to get a job.
You don't drive no way.
Say bye bye to the camera, Brajana.
It's bye.